we making fried Snickers. So first we making a light batter with plain flour, water, then going to mix it up. Mix it, form a lump-free. The Snicker I just put it in the freezer and then dust it in the flour. The flour is plain flour, lightly, so the batter will stick to this. So now dip in the batter, make sure it's coated nicely. And now put in the breadcrumb. If you have panko, you can try with the panko also. Panko is a Japanese breadcrumb, so coat it nicely. So it's nicely coated with the breadcrumb. So if you think it's not fully covered, you can do a third breadcrumb also. So once you fry it, the chocolate will not come out. Shape it nicely, and even you can use a knife to press it to give a nice shape. Yeah, it's good to go. Now what we can do, we can put in the fridge or even in the freezer if you want to do it after some time. When it's frozen and you put in a nice hot oil, by the time inside start melting, you get a nice shape and it's not oozing out, because by the time the temperature reaches inside, it just melted. It's not bursting the chocolate outside. So ensure, double check it, it's covered completely, there's no opening. Okay, good to go. So you need to ensure the oil is hot, nice plain oil, and check the temperature. It should be 160 and 170, not more than that, because it will immediately turn the color. Yeah, that's enough. You can just reduce a bit. Now drop the Snicker bar. Okay, so that's ready. Nice golden color. If it's more than this, the chocolate start oozing, so you need to be careful. Slowly lift it up. I can really smell the chocolate. Put it on the kitchen cloth. So now place the Snicker bar fried. Bit of cardamom sugar on the top. Now we can serve with a bit of ice cream. I got some cookie dough ice cream. Just place on the side. So that's it. Okay, so now we can taste it. A bit of ice cream and cut the Snicker bars. It's melted. Interesting. I believe this is from Scotland. It's very famous there. Our fried Snicker bars originated from Scotland, I believe, and it's amazing. With touch of cardamom, The peanut is coming through, chocolate, crunchiness from the coating. Very nice. Enjoy. Try it.